So it's the 2nd of July. Time to harvest some potatoes. I don't know how good these are going to be. They've been neglected somewhat, as their main functions end up being as a doorstop on the greenhouse. But let's give it a go, see what comes out. So just get rid of that, make it a little bit easier. See what we got. So this is, bear in mind, start of the video, which hopefully you've seen, this was just from one singular potato in the bottom of this container. I'll put the link on the video so you can see, but it's looking pretty promising already. In actual fact, it's a good job that we have got them out now, because if you can see this, just notice that in the compost. Now that is wireworm, and that little creature there, or that little worm, that will end up eating into your potatoes and ruining them. So leave that out for the birds to have. That's going to be his punishment. And actually here's loads of potatoes. And there is, that's the skin from the original potato that went in there. So singular potato. Let's just pop that there. They're still coming. So you can, if you want, replant these little embryos, and you can leave them and they will swell up and continue growing, but to be honest, I just can't be bothered to do that. So let's just turn it over, just check we've got everything out, which we haven't. Oh, some more. Another one. Okay, so that looks like that's everything. So one potato has given us all of that, and I'd say that's a really good harvest, so I'm well pleased with that. Yeah, job done. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos. And I always say it, but it's so true, enjoy what you're doing, have fun, and especially when you can get a decent crop like that, time to enjoy it. So see you soon. Bye for now.